We're now ready to enter the melody of Old MacDonald Had a Farm. So I'm using some tools down below. We have some layers, and the lead line is on layer 2, the tenor is on layer 1, and that puts their stems, which have been preset in another document setup, so that the stems always go in the correct direction. You can also set it so the stems move up or down if you're writing a single melody line for the staff. But when you use two melodies or two parts per staff, you get the stems frozen in the correct direction. So lead is layer 2, tenor is layer 1, and with the bass baritone we have the same setup. That way I'll only have to work between 1 or 2 layers, which is pretty efficient. So we're on layer 2 right now. We go to speedy note and we're ready for the melody. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, that's our melody, so we copy it in. Old MacDonald, and I click a key to move over. I have it set up so it doesn't leave the measure till I'm ready. You can set it up to move automatically, but I like to do it when I'm ready. So Old MacDonald had a farm, and then because I'm choosing the rhythmic values before I click the spot. So right here I would choose 7, and by hitting the 7 it enters the note for me. Over here, if I was wanting the E as a quarter note, I hit 5. Put the cursor on the space, and then 5, 5, down, 5, 5, and then for this one would be on the space 7. So I'm thinking the rhythmic value, positioning the note and putting that particular value in. Oops. This is a kind of a little bug in Finale, which is annoying because it continually opens up the measures as if I'm needing room for lyrics, and they kind of follow the Microsoft tradition of leaving bugs in so they can come out with a new version. I think the later versions may have fixed this, but I don't know. I'm on version 10. In any event, to fix this I have to go to a little spacing tool. Let's say fix the note spacing, and it cleans it up. So it's a little annoying, but away you go. So there's our melody, and our next task will be to determine and put in the harmonies for this. I'm going to first show you in that video how I quickly go ahead and harmonize this piece, and then I'm going to show you back up and show you how those decisions are made. I do a lot of this mentally by anticipating what the harmonies will be, and then I haven't really figured out in advance that I'm just copying mentally. I am actually seeing the harmony at the moment and then writing the appropriate voicing that I know through experience will work. So we'll see how that works, and then we'll break it down. See you in the next video.